How to change phone number in Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number in Touch and Go e-wallet. First, you have to sign in to tngportal.touchandgo.com. You can use any desktop or mobile web browser to do this. After entering your username and password, click or tap Login to access your e-wallet. Click or tap your profile picture. You will see this in the upper right corner of the page. Click or tap Change Mobile Number in the drop-down menu. You have to answer the security question. You have to prove your identity by answering a question before you can change your mobile number. Enter your new number. In the text field provided, you'll be able to enter your new number. Once entered, a code or OTP will be sent to that number via text message. You have to verify the OTP. Enter the code you received from Touch and Go into the blank provided on the website to confirm. Once confirmed, your new number will be attached to your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.